So this is really going to show off its capabilities. And what I mean by that, check this out. Hang on. There's an eagle in here, but I'm not close, you see. I'm very high above it, but there's the eagle right there. And I'll show you what I mean. That's how far away I am. So I'm pretty far. And that's why I chose to shoot in 1K, so I can get a better shot. More zoom in is what I'm trying to say. Okay. Here we go. Zoom in. I'm going to pitch the camera down a little bit and y'all left the tad. Remember, I'm zooming way above the power line, so I don't have any problems just kind of yawing around like this. Man, I just heard a noise behind me. And it looks like it's spreading its wings there. Oh yeah, the babies, the young ones. And this is a manual circle. So I'm doing this manually, I'm not automating it. As you can tell, I'm changing speeds and angles. But yeah, it's just crazy to me how nice it is. So that's what I wanted to illustrate for you guys. That this is an amazing camera. Okay. Alright, so we're going to change it up, and I'm going to stop the recording, and I'm going to change my settings to 4K, 60 frames a second again, and I am now going to zoom in 2x, 3x, 4x, right there. So again, this is 4K, 30 frames a second. 4.3 times on the zoom in. Get a drink, turn off this camera. There we go. That's turned off. Yeah, so just amazing. Once again, this is 4K. Yikes. A little too fast on the sticks there, too heavy on the sticks. All manual circle me mode. And there's the eagles, guys. I'm going to try to speed it up a little bit. 62% battery. Okay, back to the spot that I want to be, and now I'm just going to slide to the left a little bit, center it. Okay, 4K 30 frames a second, zooming out. Two times, one time. There we go. Stop the video. I'm going to change my resolution again. And I am going to change it to 1K. Yeah, I think 1K you could do 60 frames a second and still be able to zoom pretty tight. You can see how much it cropped. So it cropped in quite a bit, guys. So at 60 frames a second. Approaching 2x zoom. 2x zoom right here. Pitch the camera down. Continue to zoom. 3x. 4x. 6x. Wow. 6x zoom. I'm not sure how grainy it's going to be, but we're looking pretty solid here, guys. Don't have to move real carefully here, be real gentle on the sticks. Try to keep everything steady as I can. Yeah, look at that. So 6x and 1K, 60 frames a second. Yikes. Sorry about that, guys. That was me. You really have to be light on the sticks, guys. And I'm not doing a good job, but good enough. Well, that's a pretty shot right there. Wow, that's going to come out so cool. Ah, come on, you can do this, Al. You got it. You got this. I got this. Oh, yeah. So 60 frames a second, you can slow down and post a lot to make it look a lot smoother than I'm doing. But yeah, this is really nice. Super nice. Wow. I think this is where I want to end it, but I'm not 100% sure, to be honest with you. I think I need to come back a little bit more, yeah, to end it, yeah. I lost track how I was turning. This much zoom, it makes it a little harder to have a reference. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and zoom out. 4x, 3x, 2x, 1x. Boom. Wow. Amazing. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and just back away. And just kind of reveal this location. Pretty cool. And there we go, guys. And this is the place that everybody likes to kayak at. Right here. And I'm now shooting. Let me go ahead and go forward a little bit. I'm going to change my 31%. No, I'm not going to bother to do that. I don't have enough time. I'm just going to go ahead and rock and roll down and get back. Wow, amazing flight. That's it, guys. I'm calling it. So, guys, this video is all about how. So this video was all about how well you can zoom in. So how to use the zoom in. This video is about how to zoom in and when to zoom in. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you around.